Hey, how's everybody doing out there? First of all, my name is Kenneth Bird. I'm the creator of Crystal Edge Technology Screens using Smart Technology Game. We're going to keep this video short and sweet. And through this video, I'm going to show you why nanotechnology is better than anything out there on the market. And I mean, look, the demonstrations that we do, no one else does. And as I always say, take the time, do the research, look around on the internet, see how many people are doing demonstrations on our level. Now I'm going to show you a few things in this video that are going to prove our technology is the best. Number one, positioning of the projector. My projector can sit anywhere I want. I can put it on the floor, I can put it on the ceiling, doesn't make a difference. I don't have to go through that nonsense of somebody saying that your projector has to be in line with the screen. Look at the color of the walls. My walls are white in this environment, so I don't have to worry about somebody saying, well, if you use white walls would generate 10 times more light and that will wash out your screen. Don't have to go through that either. Now, also too, keep in mind my projector has never been calibrated. We don't have to use any form of 4K upscaling or buy an expensive 4K projector in order to achieve a good picture quality. Keep in mind, as I said before, many times before, there's a big difference between a 4K, a 1080p, and a 720p projector. And I've done demonstrations where you couldn't tell a 720p from a 1080p, but a 4K is on a class of its own, which means that projector can produce an image that an average projector of 1080p and 720p can't do. So at one point, you got to start thinking, which is doing all the work, the screen or the projector? I'm telling you, it's a projector. Now, also too, a lot of people worry about window light. Now, you can't have this kind of light hitting your screen because it will wash out your screen. And usually when you watch demonstrations with people that are showing off their projectors or projection screens, you'll notice that there are no form of windows in the back of the projector. You know why? Because any of that light coming in is going to have contact with the screen. It's going to wash out your screen. Now, keep in mind also too, a lot of people don't see this, but we see this. This is why we do these particular demonstrations. Where the window is sitting. Now you see where the window is sitting? The window is right next to my projector, which means window light does not have to travel too far to make contact with the screen. Usually when you're watching a demonstration, the projector will be right here. Now the projector might be 12 feet away from the screen, it may be 8 feet away from the screen, okay? But keep in mind how far it is from the window, which means the window light would probably have to travel maybe 5 feet, maybe 6 feet, maybe 7 feet or 8 feet before it comes in contact with the projector and then hit the screen, which means it has a longer distance to hit the screen. Where on our demonstrations, it's right in contact with the screen. It's about 13 feet from here, boom, right to here, and it meets with the projector. So it's surrounding the projector, as matter of fact, it's surrounding the lumens that are coming off the projector, and that means that's window light and the lumens from our projector, the picture quality, all traveling at one force and hitting the screen. Now see, a lot of people don't see that when we do demonstrations, but that's how powerful these screens are. That you can have your projector literally sitting in your window and still pick up an image on the screen. Now, let's begin, because I'm going to do this going to be a short and sweet demonstration. Those of you who don't want to hear this, you know what I mean? Like I said, you're educated on our technology already. Fast forward. Those of you that are learning, this is the stuff I'm teaching you. Also, what to look for when you watch demonstrations. Now, we're going to remove this. And also, too, I'm going to also tell you an update on something we're working on for our customers. I'll tell you that at the end of the video. Alright, so let's begin. Now you notice there is no washing out, no discoloration. One of the things I find hilarious, I'm sorry to say it, but when somebody has a picture that browns out all the way around, it's all brown, but in the middle they can show a faint image, they consider that an achievement. It's not an achievement. You should be able to show a perfect picture, edge to edge, all the way around. It should be perfect. Let's bring the camera all the way over so you can see it from the front, right there. Now keep in mind, there's direct window light hitting the screen, including the overhead light. So let's come over here to the angle and show you, even at an angle, the screen picks up. Now keep in mind, the reason why I do that is because you have screens out there that'll cost you $4,000 and $5,000. If you were to turn on an angle, that screen would go black on you. My chair back here for a minute. Look at all the light. Look how much light is coming through that window. And then consider the fact we have the overhead light. That is a high-powered LED light that I picked up from Home Depot. So we even have that added into the room also. Now if I were to shut one of my blinds, let me show you this. And this is even with the window light. This is me shutting one blind. Still with the overhead light on at one blind. That's it. This is how advanced this technology is. That means you don't have to worry about having blackout curtains and then darkening your environment. Keep in mind, some people say, well, you know, projection screens were meant to be used in a dark environment. Not today, they're not. People more and more are replacing their TVs, and like I said, it's a lot cheaper to get a 100-inch TV than some of these screens I hear TVs will cost you, maybe $10,000–$15,000. It costs you a lot of money for a TV now. If you want a good high-tech TV, it costs you a lot of money. But a lot of people now are replacing their TVs with projection screens, but they don't want to treat their environment like a dedicated theater. They want to treat it like they have an environment for a TV. Now that's with, and I got the other window open here. What I'll do is, I'm going to turn you guys around too much on the camera, if anybody motion sickness. We'll open up the blinds. Again, on this one, blinds are fully open. We'll shut the blinds on the other window behind me. Now I got this shut, that open, with the overhead light on. Alright, let's grab ourselves another video. Now, let's shut all the blinds. And we'll just use the ambient light in the environment. This is my screen with just ambient light in the environment. Consider the fact we had window light pushing in and hitting the screen. And it looked fantastic. Now, this is with everyday ambient light in the environment, and this is what we get from this technology. When you have some screens that can barely make it in this environment. Now watch this. That's with the lights out. But I prefer to have my lights on. Go back here a minute. Got my lights on over here. Okay, before my time runs out here, I'm Kenneth Burr from Crystal Edge Technology Screens using Smart Technology Gain. Hope you enjoyed the video demonstration. I'd like to thank you all for watching. Oh, really quick before I run out of time here, we do have a, let me pause it for a minute. We do have a kit that actually is available on the website. From customer requests, they were asking us to basically design a pre-coated fixed frame aluminum screen. So they're going to be available in 120, so about the 100-inch, maybe 92, 100 to 120. We may have a curved screen coming out. We're working on that also too. But this will be aluminum pre-coated fixed frame screen. It does come with 3 color choices of the Nano. Also too comes with LED lights. And it's for those customers who don't want to build a frame and don't want to spray it on. We'll spray it for you. And this is, like I said, this is a pre-coated kit for you. And it's aluminum frame, very easy to assemble. I put together a few of these, and I actually work closely with the company. It's very professional, very nice design product. So they are 120s are available on the website, and like I say, it's a pre-coated kit, easy to assemble, easy to hang, and will come with LED lights and free shipping. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video demonstration. I'm Kenneth Burr from Crystal Edge Technology Screens using Smart Technology Gain. Thank you all for your time.